talking about trucker driving limitations. The federal government recognizes overworked truckers and fatigued truckers as a major problem on our roads. That's why they've passed regulations that limit the amount a trucker can drive in a day and in a week. The daily limit is 11 hours in any 24-hour period. You're only eligible to drive those 11 hours if you were not on duty for the prior 10 straight hours. And then there's the weekly limit. That's tied to whether the trucking company uses commercial trucks every day. If they do, a trucker can only be on duty for 70 hours in any 8-day stretch. If they don't, a trucker's limited to 60 hours in any 7-day stretch. Federal regulations require truckers to keep track of their work status in a written book called a logbook or on an onboard computer. Sadly, some truckers and trucking companies chase the dollar instead of protecting our safety. That can cause truckers to drive when they're too tired to do it or too overworked to be safe. When that happens, there can be devastating consequences for innocent victims. Even worse, proven truckers and their trucking companies have violated the regulations to keep them within their driving limits can be very tricky. Sadly, sometimes trucking companies will alter or even destroy evidence in a cover-up attempt to avoid responsibility for allowing their truckers to drive too much. If you've been hurt badly or suffered the loss of a loved one as a result of a trucking accident and you think it may be due to a fatigued or overworked trucker, you owe it to yourself to ask an experienced trucking lawyer who knows how to find the evidence to prove whether the trucking company violated these regulations. You can start that process right now by filling out our Get Help Now form. I thank you for thinking about this with me, and I hope I see you soon.